Hey, welcome back to another episode of 60 Second Sunday. I'm your host, Dan the Great, and in this episode, we just got back from a week-long vacation, and on that vacation, I had to take my MacBook Pro, and I was having problems with my Photoshop, so I couldn't do my thumbnails and stuff, and I couldn't do my color grading and all that great stuff you like to do with your pictures. So, there is a way to do this in Final Cut Pro 10. Roll that intro. So in Final Cut Pro 10, there is a section where you can look at your scopes, your Luma scopes, and in that you can drop your shadows, boost your highlights, add your contrast, and then take a screenshot of that to upload it to your Instagram or whatever. So without further ado, 60 seconds on the clock, please. Let's go. Alright, so now we're here in Final Cut Pro 10. I've started another project, added a picture from our vacation. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to blow this picture up because I know that my layout is a 1920 by 1080, which is the size I want, and I also want to rotate this horizon because it's a little off. So let's make that kind of straight here. Now, in order to look at my lumas, I just go over here and view scopes. That's going to show me my lumas. Now, the first thing I want to do after that is go to my color board. Let's turn my color board back on. Go to my color board. Let's blow this up so we can see it. And I'm going to crush my blacks, pop my highlights, and you can already see it's making a major change. Blacks are down at the 0, highlights are up at the 100. This is kind of what we want. Now, I also like to do a little saturation, oversaturate a little bit, because Instagram, it just makes it look a little better. Make it pop a little bit, and there you have it. And we're done. Our Luma scopes here, our color board's there. We can go back, we can turn those effects off and see that kind of dramatic change that it makes the image pop. Now what I'll do is I'll click this right here. That'll blow it up full size, and then I will take this and I will do a Shift Command 3, take a picture of it, escape, and then upload that to Instagram. Well, there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Please share, like, comment, subscribe. You know all the good stuff. Smash that bell over there because I will be uploading these every Sunday, and we'll see you tomorrow in the next video.